The Idiya Egypt food trailer is fun, bold and sure to help your business stand out. Whether it's a multi-venue food business or something more stationary, the Egypt is a great solution. On this side, you'll find a large pop-up service window allowing you and your crew to serve multiple people at once. All of the bench tops and cupboards are made from a food-grade 304 steel, keeping things hygienic and clean. The main service window is lit with LED stud lights, as well as an LED strip light. To complete the package, it comes with a comfortable retro-look seat, and it's also drivable so you can easily manoeuvre it around your events and markets. There is a large double-door fridge with an adjustable shelf. You can securely lock away your money and other valuables with this inbuilt cash drawer. It features a rear window for ventilation and has non-slip aluminium flooring with a drain. There is an underbench trash bin for your convenience. There are multiple underbench cupboards for all of your storage needs. It comes with 2 sinks and a hot water heater. Then underneath the bench you'll find the drainage for fresh and wastewater and an oil and water separator. There's a rear door giving you and your team easy access to any external equipment you might be running.